Make your photos talk, sing, and rap with Hedra AI. What if your selfie could talk? Not just blink or smile, but actually say a few words, maybe sing a line, drop a quick rhyme, or even deliver a mini monologue with a bit of flair. That's exactly what Hedra AI offers. A model that lets still images lip sync to custom audio, voice clones, or even full-on songs. And it's completely free to try. No logins, no watermarks, just upload and go. Here's how it works. To get started, users can visit hedra.com where they are given two choices. Type a prompt and let Hedra synthesize a voice or upload their own audio clip. No mic required. So you can navigate to this option audio script where you're gonna find different option, generate speech, record audio, upload audio. If you wanna use Hedra's voice feature, you can just paste in your text over here and generate the speech and add it to the video. Under that, you'll get the option to select the voice. In case you want to clone the voice, you can click on this option, create voice, and do that. Once you are done, click on the option add to video. Once voice is generated, it will be added to the picture that you have added. Next, upload a face or create one. Hedra lets users upload their own image or also you can create it. To upload it or generate it, click on the option Start Frame. Now select the option of your choice whether you want to create it or you want to upload your own image. For this guide, I will be uploading my own image. Once you have uploaded the image and your audio is ready, now here you can provide the prompt. For those who want more control, Hedra allows you to upload your own recorded voice clips. Whether it's a podcast segment, a voice memo, or a dramatic reading of your grocery list. It will lip sync to whatever you feed it. If you want to make it sing, upload a song, either original or royalty free, and Hedra will try to animate your character singing it. No additional setup, no beat mapping, just hit play. Talking about result, not a quite Grammy performance, but way better than expected. Hedra holds rhythm, gestures with surprising timing, and looks like it's feeling the beat. Just wait for a few minutes and your video will be ready.
I'm vibin', just so.
Compared to powerhouse research tools like Alibaba's Emo or Microsoft VASA 1, Hedra is simpler, no real-time expressions, no multi-angle head movement. Emo could sing in multiple languages. VASA 1 could mimic facial nuances so human, it bordered on uncanny. But here's the difference. Those tools are not public. Hedra is. So you can try it right away. The best part, it's free to use, no watermark, no credit card, no shine and wall. Whether you are an AI-curious filmmaker or just someone who wants to see your dog photo sing disco, Hedra is worth a spin. From creating goofy anime monologues to heartfelt AI tributes, Hedra is a playground for creators who want to see their ideas move and speak without needing animation skills, voice actors, or budget. Want more AI tools like Hedra? Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and drop your weirdest Hedra creation in the comments.